Good evening. It's day 60, I think, of the camper pod build. And this evening, my goal is to get all these vinyl trim on. What we're going to be doing is that I purchased some thin butyl tape. Where is it? Oh, it's right here. This is 1/4 by 1/8. 1/4 by 1/8. Yes, butyl, compared to this stuff here, which is 1/2 inch by 1/4. Big difference, because this is too wide for this trim, so we needed some narrow stuff. What we're going to be doing is I'm going to be running butyl right down over these pre-drilled holes, and on this side I'm going to put a bead of caulking where there's no holes, because some of it there's going to be no holes, some of it there's going to be holes, and then install, because later on we're going to be caulking this as well to stop water from getting in. Upper pieces like this up here have holes on the face and on top, because the wind is going to be blowing like crazy coming this way. So there's going to be butyl tape on both sides there. So the goal tonight is to get, like I said, all the white done, and then later on to attack the aluminum that's down there. A little bit of butyl up there. Like that. Boy, this skinny butyl is a real pain to install. Make sure that's all squished in there, and it's pushed up to the top. Good. Okay. Pilot hole. And number 6 flathead stainless. Cool. I'll do it for the rest of them. Corner number 2. Good there. Good there. Squeeze it. Put in some screws. After I put on that first piece of butyl tape, I figured out a better way of doing it. I was just doing it from the wrong direction, and just gently press it in place as I cover over the holes. Now this piece is going across the top of the roof, so it'll require 2 pieces of butyl tape, and this one on each side, rather than butyl and caulking. Silicone to be more specific. Oh, wrong way. Tabs go down. Oop, and the tab is still sticky. Right. And that's good there. Get down and get over here. Good peek. There we go. Roll it out and pop in a couple of screws. And the final screw, a little tiny pilot hole to get through the ACM, stainless steel screw, and we're done. All the white vinyl put on the camper, except for this little piece right here. I'll do this when I put these metal corner pieces on, because there's a bit of an overlap there. But just look, a 60-foot roll, who would have thought, you know? That's what I have left. I bought an extra roll just in case, but I guess it's almost better when you're buying butyl tape to buy obviously more than you need. So that's it, folks. The end of evening day 60, or is it 59? We don't, whatever it is, end of the day, got this little piece completed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.